Good morning, all students. Myself, Mulani Asma, teacher from Dharavi Transit Camp, Municipal English Secondary. Five linear equations in two variable. In this lesson, we are going to study introduction using previous knowledge, examples of linear equations in one variable, different various examples using your previous knowledge which we have studied in 8th standard, and we will correlate with polynomial also, which you have studied lesson number 3. General form of linear equations in two variable, examples of linear equations in two variable, definition of simultaneous equations, some activities, different activities, then steps for the method of elimination, because this method is there in your 9th standard, and in your 10th standard your first lesson is itself linear equations in two variable. In that lesson, in 10th standard, you will study various methods of finding solution. These are the steps of method of elimination, solving simultaneous equations, and related word problems. In 10th standard, you will study some more examples regarding related word problems and different methods like methods of elimination, method of substitution, Kramer's rule, and graphical method also. Now, we'll start with introduction using previous knowledge. In this, we have studied the linear equations in one variable in 8th standard and polynomials, our third lesson, in which we have studied what is degree of the polynomial, what is degree of the linear polynomial, what is the degree of linear polynomial. Degree of linear polynomial is 1, degree of quadratic polynomial is 2, and degree of cubic polynomial is 3. A polynomial in one variable whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial in one variable. And what are equations? When two expressions are separated by an equality sign, it is called an equation. When we say polynomial, linear polynomial, and if it has equality sign, it will become an equation. So this is called as linear equations in one variable. And this is the general form of linear equations in one variable. You can see here. You can see here ax plus b equal to 0. Here only one variable is there, which is x. You can use any variable from A to Z, any variable, and A and B are the real numbers which are non-zero, and it has unique number which you can see here, minus b upon a. In the next slide, we'll see how the values are coming. Unique values are coming from linear equations in one variable. On general form of linear equations in one variable over, you can see some examples given in page number 80. On page number 80, some examples are given. M plus 3, solve the following equations. First question is m plus 3 equal to 5. M is equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So the value of m is equal to 2, which is unique. The solution is only one solution is there. 3y plus 7 is equal to 22. Second question is 3y plus 7 is equal to 22. 22 minus 7 is 15. Therefore, value of y is equal to 15. Which number should be added to 5 to obtain 14? One word problem is there. Which number should be added to 5? So we can assume it as x variable. X plus 5 equal to 14. Therefore, value of x will be 9. This is also a unique solution. Now, let us see examples of linear equations in two variable. Some examples are given in the next slide. But before that, we should know general form of linear equations in two variable. Linear annotation. general form of linear equations in two variable. Linear means what? Just now we have studied linear means the power of the variable is 2. The power of variable is 2. That is called linear. Sorry, 1. Sorry. The power of the variable is 1. Then it is called as linear. Okay. And the equations का we have studied. अभी मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया when two expressions are separated by an equality sign, it is called an equation. And 2 is what? There should be two variables. For example, here you can see x and y variable is there, and you can use any variable m, n, s, t, any two variables. And variable you know very well. Linear equations in two variable. That means there is a general form of linear equations in two variable, which is you can see here ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A not equal to 0 and b should not be also equal to 0. X and y are two variables. The index of x and y should be 1. Index means power of x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. Both should have power 1. Since the index is 1, they are called as linear equations. They have two variables, therefore they are called as linear equations variables, as you can see here. Okay. Now see, we'll see some examples. Of is what? X plus y equal to x plus 2y is equal to y.
Hello.